Celebrating Republic Day is all about energy, pride and honor. The value of Indian Constitution since 2026 marks the 77th Republic Day. It is a great time to reflect on the journey of our democracy. Saffron color in our flag represents sacrifice, white represents peace and green stand for prosperity. But when they come together, they represent the soul of the largest democracy in the world. A very good morning to our director sir, principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today we gather here to celebrate 77th Republic Day. Now let's know more about this day. I would like to call Roshni from class 10. Please for giving a brief speech. Please clap for her.
हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं। हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं।